The Publix's Perishable Food Recovery Program is a program that helps meet the need of those that are hungry within our communities. Our associates throughout the store and the various departments will select products each day and then box up ready for pickup by our local food banks.
Every week, Second Harvest comes and picks up their donations, brings it back to our facility where they're sorted and they're given out to our 560 partners here in Central Florida. Those partners give out that food to the community. It could be families, it could be individuals, seniors. And with that partnership and getting that food on a weekly basis, we're able to help a lot of people in our community.